It is because of love that we are healed. In the first reading, we hear that the Israelites are shocked. They've been defeated. They brought in the ark, the presence of God, Eli and his two sons, the prophets, all of the resources of faith, and yet they are defeated. The ark is captured. In the gospel, Jesus makes very clear that he heals from the depth of his being, from his gut, from his stomach, from his whole center of who he is. He heals, that is, from love. So when we ask for healing, it's not just because it makes sense to be without pain. It's not because we want God to do something. We want to manipulate God, make God feel guilty if he does not heal us. Jesus makes clear it's from an abundance of love that healing comes, particularly spiritual healing. So let us today be mindful of what our motivation is. Is our motivation for healing coming from love or from someplace else?